Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. Mastering the art of illusion, Photoshop's A. Elon Musk warns of advanced AI's potential to eliminate or constrain humanity's growth. Windows Copilot, your AI-powered personal assistant for Windows 11. Now let's dive into the detail. Mastering the art of illusion, Photoshop's AI magic with generative fill. Photoshop, the iconic image editing software, is incorporating generative artificial intelligence, AI, through its new beta feature called Generative Fill. AI image generators have become increasingly common, but Photoshop's new capabilities stand out by enabling easy merging of reality and digital artifice for a large user base. Adobe, the company behind Photoshop, has developed the Content Authenticity Initiative, a plan to embed nutrition label in image files to document how they were altered, including AI elements. The initiative aims to enhance the credibility of digital media and provide the means to prove the authenticity of an image. However, the widespread adoption of Adobe's system or a similar standard is crucial before the popularization of AI imagery. Photoshop's AI features are being released to the public without the fully implemented safety net, highlighting the need for an industry-wide standard to address the potential misuse of realistic-looking artificial pictures. Adobe's system embeds content credentials in images generated by AI, but their usefulness relies on the wider adoption of the authenticity system by tech and media companies. The successful implementation of content credentials would provide an audit trail for images, enabling viewers to track their origin, edits, and authenticity. For maximum effectiveness, camera makers and other stakeholders need to embrace the adoption of content credentials from the inception of an image. Elon Musk warns of advanced AI's potential to eliminate or constrain humanity's growth. Elon Musk expressed concerns about the risks associated with advanced artificial intelligence, AI, during the Wall Street Journal CEO Summit. Musk warned that there is a risk of advanced AI eliminating or restricting humanity's progress. While Musk doesn't believe AI would actively try to destroy humanity, he raised the possibility of it exerting strict control over human activities. He mentioned the scenario of AI gaining control over various technologies, including computing power and weapons, for the safety of humans, similar to a super nanny. Musk called for increased competition in the AI space and hinted at his own upcoming AI-related initiatives. He emphasized the need for substantial financial investment, talent, computational power, and data to succeed in the AI race. Despite his concerns, Musk highlighted Tesla's commitment to AI and machine learning, particularly in the development of full self-driving software. Musk advocated for regulation in the form of an information committee composed of experts and government representatives to monitor AI advancements. He believes that while AI presents risks, it could also usher in an era of abundance by efficiently creating goods and services. Windows Copilot, your AI-powered personal assistant for Windows 11. Microsoft announces Windows Copilot, an AI personal assistant for Windows 11. Windows Copilot will be integrated directly into Windows 11 and accessible from the taskbar across all apps and programs. The Copilot sidebar stays consistent across apps, acting as a personal assistant for users, helping them take action, customize settings, and connect across favorite apps. Windows Copilot can summarize, rewrite, and explain content viewed in apps, similar to the dialog box in Bing Chat. It complements the search bar on the taskbar and provides additional functionalities. Developers can extend plugins from Bing or OpenAI's ChatGPT to enhance Windows Copilot's capabilities. Microsoft's AI ambitions for Windows have been evident, and they are pushing ahead with integrating AI features into Windows 11. Public testing of Windows Copilot will begin in June, followed by a broader rollout to existing Windows 11 users. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.